Welcome back to the coffee corner. Today we are gonna pull single shot of this FinePrint. This is from Hong Kong, single origin DECAF. I've had a go at this already and it tastes nice. We're also gonna use this lever machine and I'm gonna pressure profile. If you can see from here, there you go. I think that's better. You can see it goes all the way up to 16 bars, but this spring inside pulls 11 bars. So I'm going to try and attempt to do an 8-bar shot. How do I do that? Basically, I don't release the lever, so the spring doesn't release fully. I hold the lever down, and it's a little bit of a trial and error, but I'll try and pull. I've measured it already. 12 grams. Expecting about 24-ish on the scale, 24, 25. So let's go and try it now. Let's see how I'm going to do this. I'm going to need this to video the... Right, so single shot, okay. Single shot, it's pretty clean. I'm going to obscure the video a little bit, but using that, turn that on, do a little bit that came out. Not the rest of it in. Okay, you can see it's all over the place, so give it a quick knock. Give it a quick WDT, just very simple. Okay, make sure everything's in the middle. Tamp it down. This tamper is from ACS as well. There you go. Don't know if you can see that. Okay, so let's use a smaller cup. Maybe I can. Problem with this is I have to move this, okay, and it's gonna be a bit of a pain. Right, pull this back. We'll try and do everything together. Right, so pull the lever down and it will give 2 bars of fill the reservoir up. 2 bars. Once it starts dripping, I'll release the lever. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's a bit fast to, yeah, it's too coarse. So as you can see, I'm just holding the lever. It's 8 bars. Should expect about 24. It's about here. So. How does it taste? I don't really drink espresso, so that's the espresso. Actually, there you go. It's good. Not very bitter. A bit more full body than the 11 bars. Guess we'll make some milk now. Oat milk. Don't really drink cow's milk anymore. Clean it up. Steam. Yeah, this machine, the steam isn't very good. Actually, some people say there's no problem with it, but I can't quite get it to have silky smooth milk, but then again this is oat milk, so I don't know. Anyway, let's try and pull something if I can. Okay. Well, that's okay, I guess. Thanks for watching.